Well, this is a pretty challenging opening shot for Dart. So he needs to focus on making this one ball.
Just like
Nicely
that.
done.
Yan.
Cue ball gets back pretty well for that blue two. Hindi na pwedeng ano lang. Basta banayad lang. Yan,
Yan.
banayad. Yan. Saktong-sakto na yan. Baka madikit pa dito sa may side rail kung nasaan yung kamay ni Dart. Ayan. Taking this orange 5 for the side pocket. Playing pretty well. Playing pretty well.
Ay, sa latag na yan naman. Ano ba?
Yeah.
Ka Navarrete. And then suddenly.
Ayoko nang ulitin.
Oo. Ayan. Actually, this was the case for 2 racks already para sa Parañaque na kanila na yung rack.
Okay, this is looking like a successful.
And Parañaque will get the first run out of the night.